back here. Here's the one. Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa. I'm going to be careful so I don't fall, Daddy. There's a big statue again, Daddy. Daddy, there's that big statue. It is made out of wood. I know. It's all the way back here. I see it. There it is. I think I should get in here. Three. Now I need to just get out my number 4 if I could. Where's my number 4?
Somewhere in there.
I bet that 4th block is going to have an arrow. Do you see a bridge coming up?
Not yet.
I think I do. Oh, I'm gonna come in here. We found number 4. Next we have to find my green 5. There it is. Yeah. Last time we see that 5 by that 4. But I don't know where that 5 had probably gone.
Is 5 one of the ones that's fallen down?
Yeah. Maybe they'll build that number 5 back.
Maybe they will.
Hi down there, number 5. They'll build you back sometime.
What's the next number?
For me. this number. The number 6.
What number are we up to now?
I don't know. What number is that?
7.
7. Okay, we're on 7.
I don't know what I'm doing. How did I get signed up for this part?
Could you guys just follow me wherever I go? Hey, we're looking for number 7. Over here, over here, over here. Here it is. Yeah, this way. Daddy, where did you see that next number?
I haven't seen it yet. Where do you think it could be?
Let's go find it. Oh, I think I see it. I see it right here. I see that number 8. It's kind of hard. There we go. I'm okay.
Who's that? Is that Daddy?
Let's look at the number 8.
Is that Daddy? Hi, number 8.
Let's look for my purple 9.
Okay.
Aha. Go looking for number 9. We're go looking for number 9. We're going looking for number 9. We're going looking for number 9. Wait a minute. Do you see it?
Is it back there somewhere?
Yeah, I think I just had my see it. Sorry. I think it's back here. Ew. Which log is good enough for me to walk onto that number 9? Well, I think these are stable and they're a little flat. Little boys. Maybe when I'm 4 and I get my excite dog and I get my creepy maybe we could. Oh, find those numbers. Here's a 9. Oh. And right by the 9 is a beach.
Hello, friend.
Hi, hey, we look at that beach.
Yes.
Oh. What? Oh, that's sand.
There you go.
I'm gonna go there and touch the water.
No, I don't want you to get into the water.
Don't worry, I'm just gonna put my finger in it. Let's go! I think I see it! Right over here. The 10's over here.
What number was this one?
10.
10.
Hey, Mommy, Ethan, come up here. And Luna, too. And remember when we went those ways, but now we're gonna go that way to the number 11. Let's get out the number 11. Where's the number 11? Where's the number 11? 11 down here. Are you sure? Did it stop raining?
Yeah, it's still raining. You have a little rest?
Yeah, and I need to eat my snack too.
Oh.
I still can't find that number 11.
We'll see it.
We'll find it.
Can you see where it is?
Not yet.
Hey, where's the 12?
It's in this pocket.
Oh. Hey, you see the 13? Where is it?
The 13 is missing. So we might have to just pick a spot and say hello to it.
I bet it's under here somewhere. I just see it right here.
Number 13.
Yeah, let's go find to the next number 14.
Here, I got 14 out for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I did it. I found the number 14. 15. Let's go find that next number. Let's go find that. The 15 is a 15 on a stick down a hill. Wait a minute. I think I see the hill down. It's right here. Yeah, let's go find that next number 60. I know it has to be at the bottom of the hill. I think I see that arrow. Way down here. I see the arrow.
Yeah.
Let's go. Keep coming. Here it is. See it? Wait. I'm in my 16.
16.
Yeah. Ha. Now they're both the same. Ha, ha. Over here. I think I saw somewhere in the woods one day. I think I saw it. Where is it? I don't see it. Do you see it? Let's come in here and get it. Here it is. just get to up. There's the 17. Tika, tika, tika. There you go. Let's try that last number. Everybody follow me. Now. Excuse me, Brand. Excuse me. Give me. Aha. There we go. There's the 18. Give me, Brand. Let me do this vlog. Mommy, where are you going? I need to get out. Okay, I will jump by myself.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold the hands because, like,
Woo! We did it!
goodbye, dog.